उसमें है ये चैप्टर। तो देखो बच्चा, what we had completed the meaning of business finance, the requirement of fund for carrying the business, for doing various activity, the money is needed, and that is considered as a business finance. And this line is very important. So many times this line is quoted that finance is called lifeblood of any business. Finance is called lifeblood of any business. Features of business finance also we had discussed. Okay, so importance of business finance, if you remember, that also we discussed in the previous video. Fixed capital requirement and the working capital requirement. And we started the topic number 2, classification of sources of fund on the basis of ownership, that we had started. So on the basis of ownership, the fund sources can be classified in two parts. One is owner's fund, one is borrowed fund. Okay, so basically the owner's fund, the owners of the organization who invested the money is considered as owner's fund. And when business take the money from outsiders as a loan, as a borrowings from any other one, that will be considered as bacha borrowed fund. So बहुत simple सा difference between owner's fund and borrowed fund is what? Owner's fund is the money invested by owners, and borrowed fund is the money given by the outsiders as a loan, as a borrowings. Number one. Number two, the sources of owner's fund. तो बच्चा इक्विटी शेयर्स, प्रेफरेंस shares, retain earning. Retain earning, I told you already, I defined in the last class. And retain earning is what? The part of profit which is not yet distributed and keep in the business, kept in the business for the purpose of growth, for the purpose of expansion. Mean to say that suppose last year we had a profit of 50 lakh rupees, and out of 50 lakh rupees, 10 lakh rupees I kept for the purpose of growth. So that 10 lakh rupees will be known as retained earning. So retained earning basically undistributed profit. GDR, ADR and IDR is also the owner's fund. Ab GDR is Global Depository Receipt, ADR is American Depository Receipt, IDR is Indian Depository Receipt. So that we will discuss in details in the last. In the borrowed fund, what things are coming, bacha? Debentures and bonds, loan from financial institution, loan from commercial bank, public deposit. We are taking the deposit from the public and we are giving a return as an interest on that. Trade credit. Trade credit is also a type of borrowed fund that we take a goods, we take raw materials from the suppliers on the credit basis. Intercorporate deposit, ICD, all that are the part of borrowed fund. Time period, generally the owner's fund is for a longer durations, like equity shares are there. Ab equity shares money not need to return till the business not wind up. But the borrowed fund money having for a specific period of time. Loan will be for a specific period of time. 10 years, 5 years, 2 years, 3 years, whatever the specific period of time. So in the owner's fund, bacha, the time is generally for a longer duration. And sometimes it is not required to refund it during the life period of the business. But why I'm telling you sometime? Because like equity shares are there, it will be not refunded during the lifetime of business, but preference shareholders, they will get the money after a specific period of time. But in borrowed fund, bacha, it is not for a longer time. It is for a specific period of time, and after that specific period of time, you have to repay the amount to them. Like suppose you get the loan from bank for 20 years. So after 20 years, you have to return the amount. In borrowed fund, generally profits are not fixed. Profit will be not given in every year. Amount will be not given every year to the owners. When it will be given, रिटर्न बच्चा, रिटर्न पॉइंट यू अंडरस्टैंड पॉइंट नंबर 4 कि बच्चा ऑन द टाइम ऑफ profit, when the business earn the profit, after deducting everything, if the profit is remained, then only the money will be given to the owners fund holders. ठीक है बच्चा, सब कुछ दे दिया, after distributing everything, if the money is left in the business, then only you will allow the money to them, you will distribute the money to them, you will give the money profit to them. बट इन बोरोड फंड, अब देखो ये बहुत बहुत बड़ा डिफरेंस है. इन द बोरोड फंड, whether the profit is there, whether profit is not there, whether profit is there, whether the profit is not there, they will get it the interest rate in every year at the fixed rate of interest. Like 10% is there, so no matter the business will earn the profit, no matter the business earn the loss, in every year बच्चा they will get it a profit. अब यहाँ पे एक क्वेश्चन कि सपोज यू हैव 1 लाख रुपीज, ठीक है भाई, सपोज यू हैव 1 लाख रुपीज, देन यू विल गिव दैट 1 लाख रुपीज टू द बिजनेस एज अ बोरोड फंड, और यू विल इन्वेस्ट द मनी इन द बिजनेस एज अ ओनर्स फंड. अब बताओ बच्चा अपना दिमाग लगा के कि अगर मान लो आपके पास 1 लाख रुपीज है, आपको ये पता चल गया कि भाई व्हाट इज द डीमेरिट ऑफ ओनर्स फंड, कि व्हेन द लॉसेस विल बी देयर वी विल नॉट गेट इट अ सिंगल रुपीस, एंड यू गेट इट द एडवांटेज ऑफ द डिवेंचर आल्सो कि whether the profit is there, whether the loss is there, a fixed rate of interest every year I will get it. Now you tell me that if you have 1 lakh rupees, you will love to invest in borrowed fund or in owners fund. चलो ये बताएगा बच्चा, तुषार बताएगा. तुषार प्लीज.
सर बोरोड.
बोरोड
सर बोरोड.
अच्छा, सिंपी व्हाट यू विल डू बच्चा?
बोरोड फंड.
बोरोड फंड में. सूर्यांश केसरी.
यस सर.
इन विच फंड यू विल लव टू? बोरोड फंड. अच्छा जी, एक और लास्ट पूछ लें अपना आकृति से. आकृति बच्चा, इन विच फंड यू विल इन्वेस्ट, इन बोरोड और इन ओनर्स फंड? बोलो भाई.
बोरोड.
अच्छा, मतलब एवरीवन वांट टू बी इन सेफ साइड, कि कम ही मिले लेकिन हर साल मिले हैं. देखो भाई, द इन्वेस्टर्स आर 2 टाइप ऑफ इन्वेस्टर्स. one type of investors are there who want to take the risk, and one investors are there who do not want to enjoy the risk, and the risk quotation is there: more risk, more profit; less risk, less profit. So in the borrowed fund, less risk is there, that's why a fixed rate of interest will be there, a very less profit will be given to you as an interest. But in owners fund, actually huge risk is there, because maybe in a year you will not get it something, maybe in a year you will get it something, but there is no fixed rate of profit. Huge amount of profit also you can get it. So bacha, in the owners fund there is no fixed limitation of profit, but in debenture there is a fixed rate of profit, fixed rate of interest is there. Borrowed fund will get it the interest which is fixed, and in the owners fund bacha there is no fixed limitation. After distributing to everyone whatever is remains, sab unka. So this is the advantage, but disadvantage is there that a very high risk is there in the owners fund and low risk is there in the borrowed fund. So which one is good, owners fund or borrowed fund? You have to depend. It is totally depend on the nature of investor. If an investor want to take high risk, then investor can go for owners fund. But if investor do not want to enjoy the high risk, investor want to be in safer side, investor want to not take a high risk, investor just want to take a low risk, no matter whether the profit will also low, whether the return will also low, then they can go for the borrowed fund. नेक्स्ट वन इज बच्चा पॉइंट नंबर 5 which is known as security. अब देखो, when you issue the owner's fund, no security is required. Why? Because you become the owner of the company, owner of the business. That's why no security is required. But if you take the money from the borrowed fund, then you have to keep the security as a fixed assets because you are taking the loan from the outsiders. बात समझो बच्चा मेरा. Suppose you want the loan from bank, तो हमें सिक्योरिटी रखनी पड़ती है कि नहीं रखनी पड़ती है? बोलो yes or no. If I want the loan from
Yes,
the
sir.
bank, then I have to keep the security or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
भाई बिना अगर सिक्योरिटी के बैंक लोन देना चालू कर दे तो एवरीवन बिकम विजय माल्या, लोन लो भाग जाओ. But बच्चा, generally bank are doing what? Bank is giving the loan to you 70 lakh rupees. तो आपसे 1 करोड़ रुपीस की सिक्योरिटी रखवा लेगा वो. अगर your house cost is near about 1 crore rupees, so you give the paper, you give the power of selling your house to me, and if you will not return our 70 lakh rupees, we will sell out your house. तो उसमें तो बिजनेस को फायदा है, उसमें बैंक को फायदा है बच्चा. But if you are giving the loan to your house member, if you're giving the loan to your house member, suppose करो कि you have one sister and you are giving 100 rupees to your sister, तो क्या उससे सिक्योरिटी रखवाते हैं क्या भाई कि नहीं नहीं पहले इसका सिक्योरिटी रखो, अपने गोल्ड या रिंग्स हमको जमा करो, डिपॉजिट करो, तब 100 रुपीज देंगे. इफ यू नॉट गिव द 100 रुपीज, आई विल नॉट रिटर्न योर गोल्ड रिंग. सो बच्चा, द सेम थिंग इज देयर. द person who invests in the owner's fund become the owner of the business. That's why no security is required. But when we take the money from outsiders, when we take the money from the bank, from the financial institution, from the public deposit, debentures holders, mean to say from outsiders, then we have to keep the securities. Then only they will give the money to us. अच्छा जी, who control the business? Business को कौन कंट्रोल करेगा बच्चा? Owners. Who will control the business? Owners. So the right for controlling the business, the right for controlling the business will with the owner's fund, because in the owner's fund, owners are investing the money, and when the owners are investing the money, they get the right to control the business. And in the borrowed fund, बच्चा, they are just outsider. उनको business में कोई rights नहीं होता. They're not having any rights. They are just outsider who will get it the interest on a mature particular date. They cannot take any decision of the business. They cannot advise anything to the business. So they don't have any control over the management of the business. Okay, bachcha? So this 6 point, guys, have a look between the, because this is very important point. Difference between owner's fund and borrowed fund, very important. So have a look, and if you have any problem in any point, you want to re-explanation of that particular point, please tell me. Have a 1 minute look on the all 6 points. If you have problem at any point, please ask. Please ask.
सर अगर आउटसाइडर का शेयर ज्यादा होगा ओनर से, तब भी सर ओनर ही के पास वो
शेयर तो बच्चा देखो क्या है ना कि सपोज यू वांट टू से कि सर 100 रुपीज बिजनेस है. आज इस पे क्यों पेन नहीं चल रहा है? चलो नो इश्यू. यू आर सेइंग बच्चा कि सपोज सर 100 रुपीज बिजनेस है. आई एम जस्ट एक्सप्लेनिंग योर क्वेश्चन टू एवरीवन. Out of 100 rupees, owner's fund is, sir, 40 rupees. And, sir, borrowed fund is 60 rupees. The same thing, bacha, you want to say?
Yes, sir.
Now you continue your question. Now you continue your question to what you want to ask.
Sir, if outsider's fund is more than owner's fund, then who will have control over the business?
There is the case that more than owner's fund is, borrowed fund is more than owner's fund. So now you are
Yes, sir.
asking that borrowed fund will get it the control over the business. This is your
Yes, sir.
question.
That's what.
No.
Yes.
बच्चा. So answer is no. No matter how much borrowed fund is there, borrowed fund will not get any control over the management. Management and business control will be in the hand of the owners fund only, because they are the owners. They will get it the only control. They will only have the interest on the time. Like suppose on 1st April the interest date is there, so they will get it the interest on 1st April. If they not get it, then they can demand to sell the properties of the company to get it the money, to get it their interest. So बच्चा ये, but borrowed fund is not having any control over the management, no matter that they are more than owners fund or they are less than owners fund. तुषार, clear?
Yes, sir.
चलो जी. Yeah. So now, anyone having any problem in 6 point? Chalo. Various sources of owners fund. What are the various sources of owners fund? The first one is बच्चा equity share. अब यहाँ से आप लोग थोड़ा सा what you can do, you can take the screenshot to prepare the notes. Although I will share it, but it's better to prepare topic wise. So today you just take a screenshot of all that and you prepare the notes in your notebook. Equity share. Equity share is the most important. Equity shares are the most important source of long-term capital by a company. अब question है भाई why? Why equity share is only the most important source of capital for a company? Tell me, bacha. Any guesses? We have in owners fund, we have borrowed fund also. हमारे पास owners fund भी है, हमारे पास borrowed fund भी है. In borrowed fund, so many sources are there. Even in owners fund also we have sources. Sources of ADR, GDR, IDR, preference share, retained earning. But why equity share is the most important one? Tell me. Tell me. Who can guess? Just give the answer. No matter. It is right,
Sir,
it is
the
wrong. Kumar Yash will give.
rate of
Wait, Tushar. Kumar Yash will give the answer. And Kumar Yash, what I assume that you were in class 12th also before that. Kumar? Kumar? I'm audible to you? चलो जी, तेज आंधी जवा से जो है हमारा संपर्क कुमार पांडे से नहीं हो पा रहा है जी. नो इश्यू. Nancy will give the answer. Nancy. Nancy बच्चा, why equity share is the most important source of long-term capital? एक लाइन में बताओ why it is most important. Nancy,
Yes, sir.
give the answer बच्चा.
समझ नहीं आ रहा है.
सोचो तो, तुम लोग सोचते ही नहीं हो, पहले ही हार मान लिया. अभी देखो मैंने रीजन बताया है बच्चा. When I was discussing the difference between the owners fund and borrowed fund, उसी टाइम बच्चा I had given the answer of this question. अच्छा, who will tell?
sir,
Who want to give the answer?
sir, me.
Tushar, yes, Tushar.
So, because their profit interest is not fixed, so maybe they can get more profit other than preference shares.
No, that is a different thing, na बच्चा. That is a different thing that they will get it the huge amount of profit. तो कंपनी के लिए सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट सोर्स क्यों हो गया? अच्छा, एक छोटी सी स्टोरी समझो. एक छोटी सी स्टोरी समझो फिर बताना मुझको. ठीक है बच्चा. suppose I borrowed the money from two person. I borrowed the money from A, I borrowed the money from B. When I borrowed the money from A had given a limitation of days. कि within 5 days only you have to return the money to me. We don't have any limitation. उसने कहा भाई तुमको जब मन करेगा ना तब तुमको पैसा वापस करना, कोई लिमिटेशन नहीं. जब तुम अपना बिजनेस बंद करना तब मुझे पैसा दे देना, जब तक बिजनेस चला रहा हो तब तक चलाओ. अब बच्चा I can be free with which fund? Option A, option B. मैं किसके साथ free बिजनेस कर सकता हूँ?
Option B.
Because I don't have the
Option
tension
B.
to return the money in a particular time of period. Similarly, this has happened with the equity share also, बच्चा. मैंने आपको देखो equity share का बताया था, मैंने I told you ना कि on the time of giving the differences, I told the reason, I told the answer. How so? तो देखो बच्चा कैसे मैंने आपको आंसर बताया था. Just give me a minute. Yeah. देखो बच्चा, time period. I told you in the third point that equity shares money will be not returned during the lifetime of business. That will be returned on the time of wind up. जब कंपनी बंद होगी तभी उसको रिटर्न करना है. So equity share is the longest term of capital for a company, क्योंकि अगर equity share से कंपनी पैसा पाती है तो उसको कभी रिटर्न नहीं करना है. The company have to return only when the company is going to wind up. But other sources is for a specific period of time. तो कंपनी को एक स्पेसिफिक पीरियड ऑफ टाइम का उनको पैसे को रिटर्न करना है. So they can utilize these
तो
equity
सर
shares.
इससे इक्विटी शेयर को क्या प्रॉफिट होता है?
देखो equity shares holder having some advantage also, having some disadvantage also, that we will discuss. But immediately आपके क्वेश्चन के आंसर के लिए बच्चा देखो equity shares का मतलब, सपोज करो तुम्हारे घर में in your house 4 sisters are there, you all 4 sisters are there. पापा ने कहा कि देखो भाई हम कोई सामान लाएंगे, किसी को फिक्स करना है तो बताओ और किसी को फिक्स नहीं करना है तो बताओ. अब उसमें नैन्सी हैविंग 3 सिस्टर्स, नैन्सी की 3 सिस्टर ने कहा कि नहीं पापा हम लोग 2-2 लेंगे. पापा ने कहा ठीक है. नैन्सी ने कहा पापा अगर ठीक है बच जाएगा तो हम ले लेंगे और नहीं बचेगा तो हम नहीं लेंगे पापा. मतलब मेकिंग वेरी मच इमोशनल डायलॉग एंड ऑल दैट. अब नैन्सी की पापा ने 10 जो है गुलाब जामुन लाए. बाकी की 3 सिस्टर एज पर द रूल केवल 2-2 पाएंगे क्योंकि देयर रिटर्न इज फिक्स, तो वो 2 गुलाब जामुन पर सिस्टर पा गए. अब बचा कितना गुलाब जामुन? 4 गुलाब जामुन. अब नैन्सी ने तो कोई प्रॉमिस किया ही नहीं था कि मेरे को कितना चाहिए, तो पापा ने पूरा उठाया और 4 गुलाब जामुन नैन्सी को दे दिया. अब इसमें नैन्सी का फायदा या लॉस? बोलो नैन्सी. अब देखो नैन्सी को लगा कि यार ये तो बहुत प्रॉफिट वाली चीज है. अब फिर पापा अगले दिन फिर पापा ने पूछा तो नैन्सी ने कहा कि यही वाला फायदा है, बोलना नहीं है, फिक्स नहीं करना है. तो बाकी 3 सिस्टर ने फिर से कहा कि पापा हम लोग को 2-2 तो चाहिए ही.
अगले दिन लॉस हो गया.
नैन्सी कहा कि पापा ठीक है, हमें नहीं पापा, जो होगा हम देख लेंगे, जो बचेगा हम ले लेंगे और क्या करेंगे. अब पापा को उस दिन 6 गुलाब जामुन ही मिला. तो बाकी तीनों सिस्टर ने 2-2 ले लिया, नैन्सी सिर्फ देखती रह गई. तो भाई देखो इक्विटी शेयर का यही होता है. इक्विटी शेयर इज हैविंग दिस टाइप ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड दिस टाइप ऑफ लॉस आल्सो. दैट व्हेन इक्विटी शेयर विल गेट इट द डिविडेंड एट द लास्ट आफ्टर गिविंग टू एवरीवन, whatever is remain that total will transfer to equity share. This is profit. Loss क्या है भाई? कि suppose if anything is not left, then equity share will not get it anything. That is what? That is a loss. तो ये बच्चा लॉस हो गया और ये प्रॉफिट हो गई. ठीक है. तो मैंने कहा ना कि द पर्सन हु वांट टू टेक द ह्यूज रिस्क दे ओनली इन्वेस्ट इन इक्विटी शेयर्स. जो पर्सन ज्यादा रिस्क ले सकते हैं, ठीक है, वॉट एवर विल बी हैपन वी विल मैनेज, बट वी वांट टू इन्वेस्ट इन इक्विटी शेयर्स टू टेक द रिस्क फॉर गेटिंग हाई अमाउंट ऑफ प्रॉफिट, दे विल ओनली इन्वेस्ट इन इक्विटी शेयर्स. And those who want to go for a safe side, they will not go in equity share, they will go in other funds, debentures, bonds, loan, public deposit, other things, where they will get it a fixed rate of interest. So bacha, the question was that why equity share is the most important source of raising long-term capital by a company? Simple answer, because company not have to repay during the lifetime of business. कंपनी को वो पैसे लाइफ टाइम ऑफ बिजनेस नहीं रिटर्न करना है. दैट्स व्हाई इट इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल इन द बिजनेस. ठीक है बच्चा. तो योर फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक इज क्लियर. टेल मी कि व्हाई इट इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट सोर्स ऑफ रेजिंग लॉन्ग टर्म कैपिटल बाय अ कंपनी. इज इट
Yes,
क्लियर?
sir, clear.
Is this clear to everyone? Because company not have to repay that amount during the lifetime of the company. Only at the time of wind up, if the money left after giving the amount to everyone, then only they will get it the amount. Okay. Acha. So the amount which is getted by equity shares, because equity share represent. अब यहाँ पे देखो बच्चा, equity shares represent the ownership of a company. Why the ownership of company? Because equity shares will take all the decisions. Equity shares will take the decision by voting. Voting होगी, all the shares will vote for a particular decisions, and after voting they will take the decision. So actually they are taking the decision. They are representing the ownership of a company. That's why the capital raised by equity shares is known as ownership capitals or the owners fund. Okay, bacha. So for today, this much from